welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for August month. So let's just quickly see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for this month is triple for Lady Raga. For 1 month subscription is 555. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. Now let's talk about this month's edition. This month's edition is really nice. I really like it because this month you can select all the product, like almost all the product. One product is common for all, and other 5 products you can select, which is amazing. And I always love this concept of selecting product by yourself. So yes, happy. Now let me quickly show you what all it has. Actually, let me quickly show you what all I have selected. So first, let's start with the bag. This is the bag which I have selected. Why? Because I already have this bag, and yes, I like the color combination, the quality and everything of this bag. So that's why this. Now, next is the info card. This is the info card. It says, hey, gorgeous, 1+5 August bag. As I've said, one product is common for all and other 5 products you can select. So let me quickly show you the first one. First one is this. This is bit leak, so I'm not really opening it. This is by Plush Organic and Homemade, and this is a charcoal face pack. Just have to mix this with water or rose water, and just you can apply it on your face, leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then you can wash it off. So yes, good product, I would say. And price, yeah, I'm not really opening it, so still I can see the price. 380 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next product. The next product is by Plum. So this is the one, and the product is face brightening pack. Brighten the skin and add a refreshing glow to your skin. 50 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 399 rupees. It has multani mitti, sandalwood powder, wild turmeric, Kashmiri saffron and licorice. This product does not have any paraben and sulfate. So yes, I like Plum products, so that's why I've selected this. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a soap, and this is a charcoal soap. I have already used it, and yes, I would say it's a nice soap, and of course it's a charcoal soap. So yes, it actually cleans your body nicely. And this one is by Ahara. It's a handmade soap. The price for this one is 225 rupees. Manufacture of June 2019. Best before December 2019. And yes, soap and quite useful. I love handmade soap. So now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is by Nature's One, and this is the deodorizing and lightening scrub. Exfoliate and improve your underarm skin texture for all skin type. The price for this one is 325 rupees for 50 gram. This product is again free from paraben, and this is cruelty free. So yes, good product. This is how it looks. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Magic Dust. Again, Magic Dust products are quite nice. I've used some of their product and they are quite nice. So yes, I'm somehow happy with this brand. This is a face polishing scrub, and yes, this is charcoal detanning scrub, and it has shea butter, cream base, sunflower oil, aloe vera extract, jojoba oil and marine salt. And the price for this one is 550 rupees. Manufacture of November 2018, best before September 2020, and this is the product. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is jewelry. So last one is this earrings. Let me just show you. So I already have 2-3 same pair, I would say, and I really like it. They look stunning actually. Let me just wear one and show you. So the pattern is quite nice, the color oxidized silver, and they will go with everything. The style is something which will go with Indian, with Western, with everything. So you can just see it's looking really nice. So this is the last one. So that's all what I've received in my Lady Raga for August month. As you can see, it's like I really like it because I have selected all the products, so I know I will be using it. So that way, yes, I like it. And if you do like it, what you can do is go to the link and place your order. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.